TravelTainment has a distribution platform for billions of travel offers that we collect from tour operators and make them accessible through a search and booking engine to online and offline travel agencies. TravelTainment is very customer focused, so our customers first. Whenever we develop products, we involve customers early on. We also have a big eye on operational excellence, and last but not least, we put a lot of value on fun, because even though we're an IT company, we identify ourselves very much with the travel industry. Data collection, as I refer to it, is where it all starts. The whole data analysis, data-driven aspects, they start at the sources of the data. So having an efficient data collection system that allows transactional systems to quickly offload the data that's accumulating, that's happening at the transactional system is very important. We have grown very fast in the last 5 to 6 years, so there's lots of legacy tools, island solutions around some very operational systems. And each of these systems has its own tool for the customers as back office tool that embeds some sort of analytics. Now the challenge is to get all these analytics consolidated into one tool, into one environment, so that actually there's more consistency between those island solutions. Pentaho is heavily leveraged on the analytics side, and we have some larger data sources that we store in a Hadoop system. And we have the second part, which is the classical BI stack for data marts, OLAP interfaces, reporting interfaces on top of that. And that's where we heavily leverage and continue to build out where we leverage Pentaho in order to allow the business to have a very simple interface to self-service itself from the data assets we actually have in the company. Pentaho has allowed us now to clearly devise roles that our IT people are more focused on providing the basis of the data that Pentaho sits on, and allows Pentaho itself then can be used by our analysts who are specialized in getting out of those data marts, databases, the right information the customer asks for in much faster time than waiting for a developer to free up to service that request. We have a relationship with Pentaho that feels like a partnership. We are very closely in touch with engagement managers. They point us whenever I have a problem. I don't necessarily open the support portal and type it in. I just shoot an email to my engagement manager, and he pulls in all resources and helps me out solve that problem. And that feels more like a relationship. We also talk about plans TravelTainment has so that Pentaho actually proactively can follow up if something new happens in the product that might be of interest for us. The difference to me is that the software is an open source software. So we were able to try it out, to test it. We then upgraded to an enterprise license because we want more contact, more direct access to the resources. And there's other players probably that have a similar model, but to me mostly it is a very transparent product. There's a large community around it. There's great support from the company itself. Those are the factors that made us decide for Pentaho.